making chocolate cupcakes is very delicious and easy and simple, and be inspired with mother and daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of brown and white sugar, 4 eggs, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, and milk required. Firstly, we're going to crack our eggs. Now we're adding our vanilla. And now we're going to whisk those together, well combined, and make our eggs a bit bubbly. Now we're adding our melted butter. Now mix that together. Now we're going to add in our sugar. And we're going to combine those ingredients together. Now we're adding our baking powder. We're going to sieve all our flours in to make sure there are no lumps within the batter. Our cocoa powder. And finally our all-purpose flour. And we're sieving that in. Now we're going to carefully combine all those ingredients together. So we're just going to keep on stirring until we've stirred in all our flours. Now to make our mixture runny, we're going to add in our milk. And now we're stirring it all in together. So this should be the batter consistency, like this. So it falls off the spoon and it's quite thick. So once you get to this consistency, your batter is ready. Now we've got a tray here. We're going to grease it with a little bit of oil so the cupcakes don't stick. So make sure you preheated your oven 20 minutes before putting your cupcakes into the oven. So we're just going to get a tablespoonful of our mixture and place this in each of the cupcakes tin places. We don't want it right to the top as they are going to rise. It's easier if you get it with 1 spoon and slide off with the other. Just to smooth it out a little, we're just going to tap the tray. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes to bake. So we're taking them out of the oven. They're really hot, and we're just checking with the toothpick to see if they're baked. As you can see, the toothpick came out clean, so that means they are baked. After you cool down a bit with the toothpick, go around the edge of the cupcakes so it's easier to take out. And now you can easily take them out, like this. Now, as for a little decoration, we're just going to sprinkle some icing sugar on top, just to finish it off. You could add anything you want on top. So here we have our easy and simple chocolate cupcake recipe. Please be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.